Hello there, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll take a quick look about Xcode keyboard shortcuts or its steps. It may help to speed up the development process. So let's get into it. First of all, we will start with the build shortcuts. So in order to build the project, just press Command B. Command B. Here we go. Xcode have built this project. To run the application, press Command R. Here we go. This will be running to the simulator or to the device. In the project, just press Command Shift and K. Command Shift K. Here we go. The projects have been cleaned finished. It will be printed over here. To cancel the build, just press Command and dot, which means that Command dot. It will cancel the build. For example, if I'm running, if I want to cancel the build, what you need to do here is just press Command. So it will be finishing the build. Now we will take a look about Workspace shortcuts. So in order to toggle the navigation area, just press Command and O, or Command plus 0, which means Command and 0. Here we go. Command 0, Command. So it will be toggling the navigation area. If you want to toggle the inspector area, just press Command, Option and 0. Command, Alt or Option and O. So the inspector area will be hidden. If you want to return back, just do the same. Command, Alt, O. So it will be coming back. To toggle the debug area, just press Command, Shift and Y. Command, Shift, Y. So you can find here the debug area in order to see the logs. If you want to return back, just do the same. Command, Shift, Y. Here we go. To toggle the preview in storyboard, just press Command, Option and Return. Command, Option, Return. Return is the Enter key. To close the current tab, you can press Command W. So this is the tab section. So in order to close that, Command W. Here we go. Command W. So that file will be closed, or the tab. Okay. Now we will take a look about the simulator shortcuts. So to take a screenshot, you need to press Command and S. So let's see, Command S. You need to bring the simulator over here. Okay, then click on this S, Command and S. So that will take the screenshot and be saved in your system. If you want to go home of the simulator, you need to press Shift, Command and H. So we will take a look. Make sure that you click on the simulator and it will be like this, and then you need to press Shift, Command and H. Here we go. Fire upon that, and you want to go home, Shift, Command, H. That's it. To toggle the keyboard of simulator, you need to press Command and K. So here we go. I have here the text field. Just press Command K. You can toggle that, so it will hide as well. Command K. Command K. All right. To toggle the dark or the light mode of simulator, you can press Shift, Command A. So I'm pressing here simulator. So what I need to do here is Shift, Command A. So here you can change the mode to the dark, and if you want to come back as well, do the same, like a Shift, Command A. So it will come back to the light mode. It's a toggle process. Okay. Finally, we will take a look about the code formatting shortcuts. So in order to comment or uncomment the code, you can press Command and slash. For example, if I want to comment these all, just highlight them and press Command slash. If I want to return back, or if I want to uncomment those, you can press again that command slash. Here we go. To command, or if you want to hide or expand a body method in the code formatting, what you need to do here is command option, and I'm going to click here the left arrow, so the code will be hidden. So if I want to expand it back, means you just need to do is command option and the right arrow. Here we go. If I want to delete the line, you can press shift command and delete, which means the delete is nothing but as a backspace key, what I mean. So if instead of doing like for example, if I'm like this, what you need to do here is you can just highlight this line, the line which you need to delete, then press shift command backspace. That's it. If you want to undo this process, just press command Z. That's it. You need to highlight even. So if you want to delete a particular line, just make the cursor over there and press shift command delete. To undo, command Z. Alright. Next is how to re-indent or align a selected code, which means, for example, let's make misalign with these codes. And here also let's make some misalignment. Alright, so what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to select an area which I need to align the code. For example, I'm selecting this section and then press Control and I. Alright, do the same over here as well to align the code back. Control and I. Yeah, it's pretty cool. In code formatting section, if you want to generate a documentation for a method, or else if you want to give a short description or something else for a method or a function, what you need to do here is command option and slash. So for example, I'm here inside this command option slash. So here you can write the description for the method or something else which you need to describe. So here's the description for the button. Alright, like this. In code section, if you want to open a file very quickly and inside your project, what you need to do here is shift command and O. For example, I'm here inside this shift command, I'm pressing shift command and O. So it will be asking search quickly. So I'm typing here view controller dot zip file for the bubble project which I'm using currently. So that's a shortcut for that. Alright. The last one which I need to highlight is a search with the keyword on particular file. So the command which we need to use is command plus F. For example, in this file, if I want to search something related to the button, so I need to press here command F. So for a particular word, for example, I need to search a button name wherever it's mentioned in this particular file. So I have written their button and press enter, so that it will be going to each and everywhere inside that particular file where the button, the particular keyword remains. Okay, so that's it. So this is all. I have provided all the shortcut keys in the video description. Use that for your reference. Even though there are more shortcuts, these 20 plus shortcuts are very helpful. So that's all for the important shortcuts which mentioned will be useful for development process. I hope this will be useful for the iOS developers. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe, and see you in the next video, lads.